Sanbonani. Hello, Ninjani. Hello everyone. I hope ni righty. I hope ni spete kahle. I miss South Africa. South Africans, do you love my t-shirt? I like it. I bought it somewhere on Amazon. I don't think you're gonna get it, but hey, if you're watching this video and you're the one who was selling them, yeah, you can kind of give some information on the description box there, or down below, drop a line down below for people who are interested in having one. But yeah, I'm South African, but I'm currently living in the UK, and yeah, today I'd like to say welcome to Creative Creations, where we're playing around with creativity and seeing what we can do with what we have. Today's project is inspired by Jimmy Choo shoes. I came across these Jimmy Choo shoes. They're really lovely, they are beautiful, they are stunning, because guys, simplicity is the best, you know, for elegance, for, you know, class, glamour. Jimmy Choo has got these nice ladies, nice shoes which have a horse hem at the front. It's right here, take a look at it. That's it. It is really gorgeous. But then we know who we're talking about. If you have a big pocket, guys, go ahead and buy them. Go ahead and buy them. It would be nice to own such a pair. Kokozugi, where are you? Where are you? Yeah, if you can afford those, guys, it is worth having one. But yeah, on this channel, we create something that is our own. So we don't really want to be a copycat, but I am borrowing that style. And yeah, let's decorate the shoes. First and foremost, you're going to need the shoes that you're going to decorate. If you have a stiletto, that would be nice, because they are easy to wear with anything from a dress to your jean. But I've got this nice lovely platform shoe because it's the only shoe I could get at the moment to decorate, really. I want to decorate this shoe because I have this lovely dress that I've owned for more than 10 years. I always wear it with those shoes. I love the dress, and I'm not about to give it up. When I saw these shoes, I thought, yeah, I'm always wearing that dress with let me stop saying that dress, guys. Let me just show you the dress, because I've got it here. I'm talking about this number here, guys. I really love this dress, as you can see. So yeah, I've worn it about 3-4 times, and every time I wear it, I just love it. So I got these shoes now, and summer is coming here, and it would be nice to rock this number again with open shoes. So you're gonna need your shoes, you need a needle, and you need a ribbon. You need a horsehair, guys. You can get a horsehair from Amazon if you really fancy doing what Uncle Jimmy did with his shoes, and then you can get that on Amazon, but make sure it's a thick one. It really is nice, guys. There's nothing like it. Adhesive pearls, any adhesive pearls that you like, or any adhesive gems that you can find. They will work out perfectly. Just do your own style, whatever you fancy. And then you're gonna need a glue gun. It's just plugged on there, and if you need more of your glue sticks, you need a matching thread. You need your scissors as well. So yeah, let's get into it. First and foremost, you begin with cutting this. I've kind of toiled around this, and I made a lot of different design, just exploring what I could do with this kind of style. But after a lot of time, I decided I'm going to stick to being simple. It is the best. It is the best. You want to do something eye-catching, you better be simple. So I went ahead and you just cut your ribbon and you join them together like this. You just go up and down, joining it until you end up with something like this. It has to be like this when you're done, and then you can go ahead and add your adhesive pearl to look like this. And then I went ahead and I positioned them, and I came up with a number of designs that I would like on this shoe. But hey, I don't have for your royal blue shoes. I only have one pair of shoes that I need to decorate. So I was toiling around the designs, and I just want to show you what I thought. My first impression were the normal, you know what you do on the left, you do on the right, and it would sit like this. It would look really, really lovely. I really love this design. It is nice, it is clean, it is simplicity at its best. But then I thought, ooh, we're not about the normal things that we do. It's about breaking the norm, and we're doing something different. So I thought, what if I put it down here like this? And I said, yeah, I'm done. I'm done. This is it. I like it like this. But then I thought the fourth style could be if I have a kind of a bow, and I put it at the back, like this. Don't know if you can see. If you fancy some dangling bead like what is on those Jimmy Choos, there is a big horsehair at the back, but I think it does really go well with dresses, and then it's questionable if it goes well with your trousers, your jeans. But yeah, skinny jean above your ankle, it will look really, really nice. You can just place it like this, breaking the norm, still having this one at the back here. And I really like this look. So I'm happy to tell you that I'm going to place them like this for these shoes, because it is really, really nice, guys. And I also went ahead and I toyed with your pearls around here. You can place them wherever you want. You can even do this. You can do 2 of these and place them nicely here. I really like that as well, if they are 2 placed down here. It's just that this one I've already centered it on the shoe, but it will give you something like this, where to be placed here like this on the shoe, and you center them nicely, and then you can do it on both sides. It looks really nice. And if you really are into a bit of dangling here, it would really look nice as well. So do whatever you can with it. At the moment, I just want to show you the look that I'm going for. Yeah, my glue gun is hot, and I'm just going to place my ribbon. You just apply your glue. Be careful with the glue, don't burn yourselves. You don't need a lot of it, just enough so it can stick. And then you center it around here at the back of the shoe. You need to be quick because it dries really quick. So this first shoe is going to look like this. To look like this, and I really love it. I really love this look. And the second one, I'm still going to keep the pearls at the back. To finish this style, I've decided to put this one just around here. Break the norm and just place it like this, and that's my design done for these shoes. You can leave a comment down below to tell me if you like it. I really love it. Yep, this is the finished look, and I'm happy with it, and I think it looks really nice. I think it looks really nice. This is how it is at the back. Oops. And this is how this one will look. Let me just fasten it. Yeah, centered like this, and it looks like this from the back. Needs to be straight. Just make sure your pearls are straight, and you can place them the way you want. You can make a long line without any spaces in between. It's just up to you guys. Just do whatever you fancy. Try it on your own shoes, or come up with your own different design, and let me know how you get on. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and yes, tune in some other time where I'll be showing you what I've made or what I'm working on. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da for now. Bye.
You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.